Welcome to CRP 2K18 HS channel 2. Today I will show you how to install Samsung mobile drivers on your PC. First need go to this link and download Samsung USB driver for mobile phones. .zip 15.3 MB this file. First you need download this file and I already downloaded it and open it. So install Samsung USB driver for mobile phone exe. Open the setup file and you can see this type setup. First you can click next button and select your language and region. Then next and installation location, can put your device you like and install, and automatically disconnect your device from your PC. And click finish and go to your device manager and check your drivers. Here is serial bus controller and make sure your mobile phone in download mode. You can see Samsung mobile's USB CD comes on device. Please subscribe this channel and if you have problem put comment on comment section below.
Thank you for watching this video.